Hey everybody, it's Alex. I want to share with you something new that's going on in the library. It's a couple of new devices that we have. This is our Ava UV cleaning device. It uses UVC light to destroy pathogens and disinfect personal devices. And so this is available to use any of our patrons, our guests, any of us on faculty, staff, anybody in the libraries here. We can put your device in this and use it. So as a quick demonstration, I'm gonna throw my watch in here, and all I gotta do is close the lid. You can think of it as a giant toaster oven. There's nothing to press, nothing to do to get it started. And then you'll see down below, there's a little timer that counts down. It takes 30 seconds to go through its cycle. The only button that's on here you can see is that right there. That red light is a cancel. So if you put your phone in there and then it starts to ring and you want to answer your phone or whatever, just hit that button, it'll pop up. Otherwise, at the end of 30 seconds, boom, my stuff's clean. We do have two of these units. One is here, right outside the user services desk. And then the second is over by the printing stations on the first floor. We've also partnered with Tecna, who is the developer of these products, to get a bigger one back here in user services. So this one is like a locker. The other one is perfect for things like phones, glasses, sunglasses, keys, your ID card, smaller things like that. But then this one is larger. As you can see, you could fit a laptop. This larger unit takes a little bit longer to use. It takes 2 minutes to go through its cycle, so it's not quite as quick. We're excited to be working with Tecna to bring these to our library to provide a service to our users, but then also help us to clean and sanitize our own equipment and the things that we circulate.